Hello students, welcome to iExamB and embrace the iExamB learning experience. Do remember to subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so that you can stay tuned and stay updated. In case if you have any questions, any queries या कोई भी doubt आप clarify करना चाहते हो तो you can connect with us through the email ID or the phone number which is displayed on the screen and we are there to help you out with your queries. Now moving ahead with today's video discussion, आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू कंपनीज एक्ट। तो आज इस वीडियो में मैं कंपनीज एक्ट से रिलेटेड कुछ डिस्कशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू स्टडीज नहीं करने वाली हूँ, कोई टॉपिक कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझाने वाली हूँ, बल्कि मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कुछ ऐसी जरूरी बातें इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ कंपनीज एक्ट विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू फॉर एनी ऑफ द कॉम्पिटिटिव लॉ एग्जाम्स यू नेम इट, लाइक बी इट सेबी लीगल, बी इट आरबीआई, बी इट कोल इंडिया एग्जाम, नेबार्ड एग्जाम, कोई भी एग्जाम हो, कंपनीज एक्ट एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो आता ही है, वन ऑफ द बेसिक यू कैन say subjects with respect to the competitive law exams. And to go ahead and have a good command on your preparation requires a very thorough understanding of the various aspects related to the Companies Act. So you need to master Companies Act, and over there many of the students face challenges. There are various reasons which make some of the students not so comfortable you can say with the Companies Act. तो आज के वीडियो में मैं कुछ ऐसे aspects को discuss करूंगी which is very important to go ahead and prepare for your exams. उस context में if we talk about like going ahead and acing the Companies Act, there are certain must know Companies Act provisions. Okay, so covering the Companies Act from the competitive exam perspective, it requires a very structured approach. Okay, thorough understanding of the key provisions. तो वहां पे कुछ important key provisions जो है आपके आ जाएंगे must know Companies Act provisions में, जहां पे की कंपनी कैसे फॉर्म होगी, बनेगी, how it comes into existence you can say, from there till corporate governance, the various aspects related to shares, share capital, all those aspects are very basic and very important and you have to be very thorough with them. Okay, because understanding of those key provisions is essential because those are the basic things. मतलब कुछ ऐसी basic concepts चीजें जो Companies Act में है, क्या कंपनी है, सबसे बेसिक चीज यहाँ पे ही आ जाती है. ठीक है, कंपनी क्या है, how it goes ahead and runs its business, all those aspects are very important. They are you can say the must know provisions under the Companies Act whether you are appearing for any of the competitive law exams. The next level is our exclusive provisions that are for the selected exams. So ये जो exclusive provisions होते they are for the selected exams as I mentioned. Okay, not every exam this is being asked, but कुछ ऐसे exams है जहाँ syllabus ही prescribed है, say for example सेबी लीगल, जहाँ पे कि कुछ ऐसे aspects Companies Act के included है syllabus में which are not important from other exam point of view. So you have to go ahead and ace those optional provisions also taking into consideration this exam specific requirement. So although ये सारे provisions जो हैं एक particular exam के लिए prescribed as a syllabus, so they are not universally applicable but they are very important to go ahead and crack those some specific law exams, competitive law exams. Then there are strategies for mastering the Companies Act. So all other aspects which we discussed in now वो सब एक तरफ, और जो strategy है वो बहुत important है in the context of Companies Act if we talk about. Okay, because it's very lengthy we know, and as I mentioned you earlier also, not all of us are comfortable with Companies Act. Although if we go ahead understand from the very basics, if we have a good command on the some of the basic provisions, if we get a master on those, it will help us to basically have a good command on the Companies Act also. So it is not about just memorizing the provisions then you are done with the Companies Act. A thorough understanding is very much important and उसके लिए एक बहुत strategic approach होना चाहिए so that you can have a very good idea with respect to the various provisions of the Companies Act. Okay, so breaking down the Companies Act, study time allocate करना होगा, dedicated होगा जो कि Companies Act से related ही होगा आपका वो time slot, then कुछ understanding of the basic concepts, then attempting various mock tests you can say. These strategies if planned well will give you an edge to prepare for the Companies Act. So there are must know Companies Act provisions जो कि हर एग्जाम के लिए important है, exclusive provisions जो कुछ selected exams के लिए, and for both these areas strategy is very important for mastering the Companies Act, and that is the foremost important you can say, although I've mentioned it in the end, but it's the first and foremost important aspect to go ahead with your Companies Act preparation. So don't worry if you are not so comfortable with Companies Act, if you are scared by the number of sections Companies Act has and you have to study them. Don't worry, we are are here to help you out with that, because we at iExamB, we are conducting a free workshop on 7th of March at 8 p.m. Do note that we are conducting a free workshop that is with respect to how to cover the Companies Act for the various law exams. इसके लिए जो free workshop है हम 7th of March को 8 p.m. में conduct कर रहे हैं, that is a Thursday. And to attend this particular free workshop, you can register yourself on the registration link which is there in the description of this particular video, and you can attend this particular free workshop जहाँ पे कि आप अपने queries को resolve कर सकते हो through the expert faculty who will be conducting this particular workshop. So do remember to register yourself and get your doubts clarified in this free workshop which is specially being organized to clarify your doubts. With this, we come to an end of our today's discussion, but do remember to subscribe to the channel, stay tuned and stay updated so that you can make your preparations 50% faster with us at iExamB.